Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ting. Today our topic is why can't I pick out any tones or hear the tones when Chinese people speak quickly? Okay, to answer this question, firstly, I want to point out that this is a common thing that I hear a lot from people. They say Chinese people are not using tones or they are not using tones in the way that I'm used to. Okay. So first point that I want to share is that people speak differently than they do in textbooks. Okay, what does it mean? When you get a beginner's textbook, they normally speak in a very, very slow or slightly exaggerated way because they were trying to be very correct and speak in the most standard, the most correct way for their learners. Okay, so, but in fact is that a lot of people, when they're speaking the language in real life or with their friends, they will speak in a way that a lot less rigid and a lot more natural and less 100% correct than the official textbook's pronunciation. Okay, even Chinese people who have very, very good pronunciation, such as teachers or broadcasters on the TV, will often not pronounce every tone in a way that you used to. Okay, this is because when you are speaking quickly, you simply cannot pronounce every single character in a very exaggerated and emphasized way. Another point is that not every part of the Chinese sentence is emphasized the same. Chinese sentences also have intonation. So some words will be stressed and the tones will be clearer. And some words are not stressed, so you won't really hear the tones of this part of the sentences. You will find that when Chinese people are actually speaking, they are not emphasizing every single tone, and they are not able to pronounce every single tone completely, accurately, or precisely. Okay, but in fact is that it doesn't really matter because what you need to do is that to understand the key part of the sentence and the vocabulary in that sentence. So it really doesn't matter that you can't pick out every single tone. Okay, to answer this question more completely, I'm going to prepare a further topic, which is why it is so hard to hear tones when Chinese people speak. In that video, I'm going to share more opinions and more tips. Okay, if you think what I've just said makes sense, what I'm going to say will help you more. If you want to understand, speak like a native, or to impress your family if you have a family originally from China, or to improve that you can speak Chinese or travel to China, study or live in China, you want to get your pronunciation problem down. And you can register a webinar for free. Usually the webinar is around 19 to 20 Central Europe time, and I will, according to your situation, give you evaluation and what to do. Okay, you can find the link in the description box below. If your time zone is in Asia or Australia, but you really want to solve your pronunciation problem, you can write an email and I will arrange a good time for you because you are that person that I want to help. After that, you will get the answer of the proper steps of master Chinese pronunciation and able to hear what people exactly say. They use contractions or linkings. It won't be a problem for you anymore. Okay, I still remember 2 weeks ago, there was a lady. She actually wanted to eventually understand what the medians are talking. So that's why she learned Chinese. But her currently struggle is that she doesn't really know how to pronounce 机器西支持师 part. Eventually, she got the tips and she got the resource how to resolve that problem. So I believe that no matter what problem you have, and you will get the answer of your questions. And I'm ready to help. Okay, thanks for your watching. Click like, subscribe. See you.